Your Amazon ads have a problem that I can almost guarantee is costing you sales and bleeding your profitability. You see, you've got a whale and a minnow swimming together. Now, let me explain. If you go into your Amazon Campaign Manager and click into a campaign, I bet you'll see a list of 50, if not 100 plus keywords. And within that list of keywords, you've got a whale and a minnow. Now, let's say that you sell a vanilla candle, and in your list of keywords, you've got the keyword birthday gift, which totally makes sense because someone could buy a vanilla candle as a birthday gift. And you've got the keyword vanilla candle, which is a no-brainer given your product. Now, tell me right now, which keyword is going to be more profitable for you? Vanilla candle, right? Because that's what your product is versus birthday gift where someone might be looking for a candle. They may not. They might be looking for a gift for a child or a toy or a piece of clothing. Now, the problem is that you've got the whale eating up all of your budget. Now you're going to say, no, Emily, that's not true because I adjust my bids. So I only bid 50 cents for a birthday gift, but I'm willing to bid $2 for the vanilla candle. And while that's fine and good, you're failing to account for search volume. Now, let's say that birthday gift gets 100,000 searches per month. It's probably more, but we're sticking with easy round numbers here. And let's say that vanilla candle gets 10,000 searches per month. So every time vanilla candle gets a search, there are 10 searches for birthday gift. Now you've set a campaign budget of $100 a day, and because of search volume, you'll spend $5 on birthday gift clicks for every $2 you spend on vanilla candle clicks. And that's how the whales eat up all of your budget, and it tanks your profitability because the resources that should be going to you, more profitable keyword terms like vanilla candle, are being gobbled up before they can ever make you money. Now, I've been behind the scenes on more than 50 Amazon accounts, and we see poor campaign structure costing Amazon sellers tens of thousands of dollars all the time. I've put together a free training that outlines the hidden rules of Amazon that you can understand and apply to double your sales. Click the link to jump into the free training. I'll see you inside.